Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another product review, that is Vita Organic ROSEGLOW Face Gel Cream. This cream claims to be Ayurvedic and extracted from the plants, specially designed for the skin hydration and brightening. The company has done an amazing job with the packaging, as it's very attractive and has a pleasant color box. I got this product from Nykaa, which is one of the online beauty stores in India, and I purchased it for 499 rupees, which is quite affordable, and the product amount is 85 grams. Each side of the box has different notes, and one is showing all the certification obtained by the company. Direction to use the product and the ingredients are mentioned on the box. The product contains aqua, rose extract, aloe vera leaf extract, glycerin, saffron, herbs, vitamin E, floral extract, essential oils, sodium benzoate, and potassium sorbate. The ingredient list seems to be incomplete as they haven't mentioned what all herbs, floral extract, and essential oils have been used in the cream. Sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate is used as preservative in this cream. Now moving to the packaging, the box contains a small pot-like container secured with the cap which holds the product. There is a small thank you note provided by the company for purchasing this product, which makes it very adorable and cute. The product comes in a plastic container which doesn't claim to be recyclable. It seems like one-time use plastic container which is so thin and clear that you can see the product in it. I personally didn't like the idea of cheap plastic packaging, rather it should have been a glass container. When I rolled open the cap, an aluminium foil had secured the product from leaking. As it's new, I really wanted to do an honest review about it. The product had a very pleasant smell, to be precise a floral scent. The consistency of the product was watery and very light. It had a reddish pink hue to it, which made me wonder if there was any natural pigment added to it. Before applying product directly to your face, I recommend to do a patch test. A little of the product on the back of your hand to check if it causes any sort of allergic reaction. I was very surprised by the cream as it glided very well and had a very super cooling effect. The product took a lot of time to absorb into the skin and left a sticky feeling after the absorption. It had moisturized the skin instantly, giving it a natural glow. Now it's time for wear test. I took a little of the product and applied it directly on my face. It gave a nice cooling effect, making my skin look a little glowy. I'm afraid that the product might get over soon as a little of the cream doesn't run a long way. I had to reapply the cream to evenly distribute it all over my face. But the cream is so light and watery that it's really good for the oily skin people out there. But reapplication after every 2 hours is required. At last, I took a little of the product and gave a nice massage to my face as instructed on the box, rubbing the product in circular motion so that it gets absorbed into my skin, and the goodness of the rose, saffron and aloe vera leaf can bring out the natural glow on my face. I could feel my skin had become sticky after the application, which might clog the pores with dust and pollution that is present outside. For the rating, I have rated this product 8 out of 10. To do so, I have my own reasons. The pros is that all the ingredients are natural and has a cooling effect on the face. It is a vegan product and is great for oily skin. And for the cons, it has an incomplete ingredient list. Nothing is mentioned properly. The product doesn't last for long and needs to be applied again and again. The product doesn't absorb into the skin really fast. It is very sticky even after the absorption, and the packaging is not at all environmental friendly. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye!